In this overview, let's go through the new Twitter feature, which is called Twitter Circle. So when I try to create my tweet today, I've seen this pop-up to use Twitter Circles. What is that? So basically that's ability to share your tweet just to limited number of people. So not to make it private, not to say like only share to someone who mentioned you or something like that, but just to Twitter Circle. So you can choose up to 150 people to include in your Twitter Circle. Then you can only tweet to only them. Only your Twitter Circle can see and reply to this tweet. And then if you want to edit this Twitter Circle, you can always do that. So here in your left sidebar, you can see it. So that's your Twitter Circle. It says new to the right tab. I just, so there you have it. So here I can just add some people to my Twitter Circle. Like for example, I can add a few accounts, and then that's how I added them. And now I can see these people in my Twitter Circle. Super straightforward. And then I can just tap in the top right, and then I can just change where it says public, and here I can change my audience. And then here I can write something like that. And then in the bottom, you will see this lock where it says only a Twitter Circle can view and reply. It's also possible to, I don't know if it's possible to use Twitter Circle with spaces, but it's definitely possible to create audio messages, add GIFs, polls, and everything just to your Twitter Circle. So that's basically that. So yeah, something around it. And there you can just tweet it. So I just tweet this. This is how it looks like. It says only people in my Twitter Circle can see this tweet. Yeah, so that's the idea. Again, Twitter Circle is a way to send tweets to select people and share your thoughts with a smaller crowd. You choose who is in your Twitter Circle, and only the individuals you have added can reply to and interact with the tweets you share in the circle. Here in the Help Center, you can see all the FAQs, all the interesting questions around it. How many people can you include in your Twitter Circle? Who can be in a Twitter Circle? When should you choose Twitter Circle? Can I have more than one? Who can see my Twitter Circle tweets? Can you edit your Twitter Circle tweets? Twitter Circle tweets can be edited. If you are part of the limited task group with access to the edit tweet feature, you'll only be able to edit the tweets you compose and send with audience sent to everyone. Twitter Circles not the same as Twitter Communities. That was another new feature released to Twitter. So Circle members can't use the retweet icon to share a Twitter Circle tweets. So yeah, if you don't want to use Twitter Circle, you can just default to public, something like that. So yep, that's basically that. And then you can always just delete your tweet and do all the stuff with it. As you can see, Twitter Circle tweets can't be retweeted. So that's just a difference. Hope overall this is helpful. This is an interesting new feature. Before, Twitter released features such as only the people who you mentioned can reply, or you can post some kind of like a private tweets. This is a next development in this direction. Let's see how it works out, or if it becomes popular or something like that. So I'm using Twitter iOS app. This is iPhone. So I'm using iPhone. I'm not subscribed to any paid service like Twitter Blue, so it's available on just my regular free Twitter app. I'm located in Europe right now, so maybe it's already rolling out all around the world, because some features are just being rolled out in US first or to some selected users. That feature should be available pretty soon to you, so try it out. Just update Twitter app and try to create a new tweet and you should see it.